Hi, I'm Tom Lydon here in Hollywood, Florida at the Inside ETF conference. I'm here with Martin Kremenstein, head of ETFs for Nuveen. Good to see you. How you doing, Martin?
Good to see you too. Doing really well, thanks.
So there's a lot going on at the conference, but one of the main subjects is ESG. Walk us through the importance of it and what it means for advisors.
Sure, so yeah, ESG, environmental social governance, it's a branch of responsible investing, and it's really about taking into account factors that are based around a company's environmental, social, and governance behavior and structures. For example, if it's an oil company or the oil sector you're looking at environmental scores and how they do there. If you're looking at tech companies, you're looking at data privacy, data security, that kind of thing. And what you're looking to do is look for better run companies by scoring them on the ESG factors that are most relevant for their industry.
For those old people like me that have been in the business for a while, mutual fund industry did this for a long period of time with social responsible mutual funds, and they charge more money and they underperformed. It's not that way anymore. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it's not. So, responsible investing has got this kind of reputation for having poor returns because, quite frankly, a lot of the older products did have poor returns because social responsible investing, as you pointed out, it was all about negative exclusions. It was, all right, take out alcohol, tobacco, firearms, gambling, which we still do now, but it's also, oh, you know what, I want a greener portfolio, so I'm just going to remove energy. And I'm going to remove utilities. And then you have a portfolio that doesn't reflect the market, it doesn't reflect the economy, and you can't build portfolios out of it. And so we launched our first set of products for our suite about 2 years ago. The first set of products came out, and we're now up to 8, and it's a full asset allocation. We finalized it with NUBD, our core fixed income holding. But now investors can build core asset allocation, and it doesn't underperform. In fact, the performance of the first 5 products has been phenomenal on the 2-year track record.
Yeah. So, for the average advisor talking to their average client, what are you hearing? Are clients asking for it, number one? And number two, where will this be in the future? Will it just be natural that most portfolios will have that ESG bent?
I think so. So we actually do annually at Nuveen our responsible investment survey, and it came back that 80% of all investors and 92% of millennial investors, when asked, would you like your investments managed in a way that maximizes societal and environmental positive outcomes? They say yes. That's not just 80% say they're interested in hearing about it, 80% say yes, they would like that. Yeah. And it's coming up more and more in client conversations for advisors, and there are actually a certain group of advisors that are really like grabbing the bull by the horns, and they're building their businesses out by saying, you know what, ESG is something that my clients want. It's another conversation where I can further personalize my advice and my services to them, and they're building out their business, and they're actually managing to build good books of business based on this.
So in addition to a nice suite of tools, you folks always provide research as well on ESG. If advisors want to learn more, where could they go?
Go to Nuveen.com, all of our responsible investing resources are there, and there's someone you can call as well. We want to partner with advisors, help them build that out. We've been doing this for 5 decades now as an organization. We're not an ETF issuer getting into ESG, we're an ESG manager that's launched an ETF suite.
Awesome. Well, go to that site, Nuveen.com, look under ESG. Martin, great seeing you.
Likewise, thanks.
Thanks.